Hello student, today we learn here time, their topic 15.6 addition. Addition without regrouping. Without regrouping, so see how to do. 3 hours 40 minutes plus 2 hours 15 minutes. 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. You got their answer 5 hours 55 minutes. 3 hours 25 minutes plus 4 hours 25 minutes means 7 hours 50 minutes. 5 plus 5 10, 0 right, 1 is a carry. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5. 8 hours 55 minutes, 9 hours 3 minutes. 5 plus 3 8. 5 plus 0 5. 8 plus 9 17. 17 hours 58 minutes. D and E is your homework. Next one. Solve words problem in your notebook. Rima and Radha was taking various lessons. The time spent each activity in a week is given below. The spent 6 hours 20 minutes for drawing lesson, 5 to 15 minutes music lesson, and 10 hours 10 minutes in tennis lesson. Okay, first one question, what is the total time spent on drawing and music lesson? First one, what you do? First one, time topic, then write page number 100, question number 2 also write, then this one question also write, first one question A1 question also write. Now what they want? Drawing and music hours minutes. Drawing have 6 hours 20 minutes plus music have 5 hours 15 minutes. This is a total. Okay, now here write 11 hours 35 minutes. The total time spent on drawing and music lesson. Now also B1, what is the total time spent in music and tennis? Now also write here music and tennis hours minute. Music have 5 hours 15 minutes and 10 hours 10 minutes in tennis. Add there 25 minutes 15 hours 15 hours 25 minutes. The total time spent on music and tennis. C1, what is the total time spent on these activities per week? Hours and minutes. First one drawing, then music, then tennis. Drawing 6 hours 20 minutes, music 5 hour 15 minutes, 10 is 10 hour 10 minutes. Right there 21 hours 45 minutes time do they spend for all activities. Okay, activities per week. All of you understand how to solve? Now subtraction also same. How to do the subtraction? 8 hours 45 minutes minus 5 hours 39 minutes. Now 5 minus 9 you take carry from next 3. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 how much there? 5 6. 3 minus 3 0. 8 minus 5 3. Now you got their answer 3 hours 6 minutes. Now also 7 hour 56 minutes minus 4 hour 34 minutes. 6 minus 4 2. 5 minus 3 2. 7 minus 4 3. You got their answer 3 hours 22 minutes. Now also 5 hours 32 minutes minus 4 hours 16 minutes. 2 minus 6 is possible? No. 12 2. 12 minus 6 6. 2 minus 1 1. 5 minus 4 1. 1 hour 16 minutes. D and E is your homework. Now also see, solve this words problem in your notebook. Write a statement. Question number. Now give their title subtraction, and then question number 2 write. Okay, question number 2 write. Solve this words problem. Now first one also write in your notebook. Write this one. Raghav spends 12 hours 45 minutes for a cricket lesson and 4 hours 30 minutes for a art lesson. How much less time does she spend for a art? That time what you do? First one answer hours minute. Question also you write. I don't write here. Now cricket and art. Cricket lesson and art lesson. Cricket lesson how much time? They spend 12 hours 45 minutes and arts lesson minus 4 hours 30 minutes. This is a less time. Write the statement. 8 hours 15 minutes less time does he spend for art lesson. Okay, all of you understand? B1 also you solve. Now next one, time conversion. 1 year have how many weeks? 52 weeks. 1 year have how many days? There is a non-leap year. 365. Now 1 year have how many days in a leap year? Leap year have means February have 29 days, and this leap year come to the after 4 years. 1 day have how many hours? 24 hours. 1 hour have 60 minutes. 1 minute have 60 seconds. 1 decade means 10 years. 1 century means 100 years. 1 century have how many decades? 10. 10 multiplied by 10 means 1 century. Month of 30 days have January 31, February 28, yeah 29, March 31, April, then June, July is 31, August also 31, then September, October, November, then December. 31 January, March, May, July, August, October, you also write in full form, and December. Okay, the shortest month in year, which? February. A leap year is 366 days. February has that time 29 days in a leap year. And when the leap year comes? After 4 years. Okay. And see here, there is one rule. We have a leap year when the number of represented by the last 2 digits of the year divisible by 4. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility rule also you know. See, last 2 numbers in divisible by 4 means 20, 24, 28. Understand? A century year, however, a leap year only when the numbers represent by first 2 digits the year divisible by 4. First 2 digit also divisible by 4. Understand? Now 1900. Circle the leap year. 1900. 16. This is also divisible by 4. This number also. So 1900 is a leap year. Circle there. 1900. Then count therefore. 1920. Last 2 numbers also divisible by 4. See here. This also divisible by 4. So 1972 also leap year. See here 1982. 82 is divisible by 4. No. So 1982 is not a leap year. 1996 also leap year. 2000 also leap year. Then 2008 also leap year. All of you understand how to recognize. Next one, fill in the blanks. The next leap year from 2008 will be 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2012. 2016. 2020. 2024. 2028. February will have how many days in 2018? 2018 is leap year. See here. No. So there is a 28 days. Anjali went to her native place. She stayed there from February 15, 2008 to April 20, 2008. How many days she stayed there? February 15 to 29. 15 to 29, 16. How many days there she stayed? 14 days. In February is 14 days. Then March 31 days and April 20 days. How many days she stayed there? Total there. Do the total. 14 days. How many days? 65 days. See, correct. My answer is correct. She stayed there 65 days. All of you understand? Here time topic is completed. Next video we learn here geometry. Okay. Today's homework page number 99, 900, 101 completed. Okay. Thank you.